I know you're tired of paying for paid ads because the money that you're pouring into these campaigns, it just don't seem like it's reaching the right eyeballs. Or even worse, people are just scrolling past your ads. And that organic traffic, it just don't seem like it's working. Today, we're going to dive into a powerful platform. It's going to be a great solution for those headaches. And you're going to have to spend no money. Yes, I said it. No money is free. Today, we're diving into LeadsLeap. It's a free marketing platform that changes the game for those struggling with the cost and complexity of traditional ad advertising. It's not about saving money, it's about being smart. This is effective marketing that reaches your audience without draining the pocketbook. So stay with me so we can explore how to leap over those barriers of expensive ads and connect with the audience in a way that actually converts. This free advertising platform is a game changer. I'm inside of LeadsLeap, and I'm gonna leave the link down in the description so you guys can sign up for absolutely free. But I'm gonna go to the left sidebar and show you what it has to offer. It has email marketing, email series, a broadcaster. It has a funnel builder, so it has web pages with pop-ups. It has a PDF, a rebrander, and this is great for anybody that's promoting like ebooks or something like that that you want to have your Amazon affiliate links or other affiliate links in. Now, if you guys are interested in learning how to promote Amazon affiliate links, I have a free course. The link is going to be in the description too as well. And also it has a PDF manager, image manager, but this is what I want to show you guys right here. This is absolutely free. Today, I clicked on 6 advertisements and I got 2.5 credits for advertising. All you have to do is press on the link on one of these advertisements. They give you credits for free, advertising for yourself. You don't even have to buy nothing. You don't even have to watch the whole video. You don't have to click on no buttons or anything like that. I just go right out of there. And then you go back to the dashboard and you see how many clicks you made for the day. Only did 6 and the credits you got. And then this is how you get your free advertising. You go over here to the right where it says advertising and press post credits free. And then it tells you how many credits you get, right? And it gives you all the analytics for the day, for the week, for the month, or whatever. And this is where you put your URL at for like your affiliate links or for your own website, whatever you're trying to promote, you put it in there. Then you add a catchy title. You put your ad text on there, like you see people do on the side to the right here. You put the category, what category it fits best, whatever it is, affiliate marketing, I would put that. And preloaded credits. That's automatically done. So if you had credits already added up, it automatically add to this for free. So it says right here, 1 credit equals 1 piece of traffic. You just press save. You can just do this over and over and over again. So you can actually promote LeadsLeap if you want to become affiliate and make commissions if somebody signed up. Now, if you want to sign up for the pro version, it's only like $24 a month. I'm gonna dive deeper into this advertising platform, but you guys let me know in the comments if this is something that you will use.